Welcome to day 9 of explaining every feature in Odin. Today, we're getting into variables. You can declare a variable with a name, a colon, and a type. Optionally, you can assign it a value with an equal sign. If the type could be determined from the value, then the type can be left out. If a variable isn't assigned a value, then its value is always 0. If you want a variable to be explicitly uninitialized, you can initialize it with 3 dashes. Variables in Odin have the same scoping rules as you're probably used to from other languages. Variables from higher scopes can be used in lower scopes, and you're able to shadow declarations. A common thing you'll see in Odin code is assigning a parameter to itself at the start of a procedure. This may look like useless code, but it's necessary when you want to modify a parameter's value, since parameters are immutable in Odin. The one main exception to the scoping rule is for inner procedures. Odin doesn't have closures, so a procedure can't reference stack variables from outside of itself, since that would require automatic memory management. If it doesn't live on the stack, though, you are able to reference it, which means static variables and globals work fine. If you do want to pass data in, it's best to do it explicitly via a parameter to the procedure. Sometimes you want to pass arbitrary data in, like for a generic callback or for a thread. The right approach here is to pass it through a raw pointer. By the way, if you need to pass data into a callback that doesn't provide an argument for it, you can use the user pointer inside of context. It exists for all regular Odin procedures, and it gives you a nice backup method in case of a poorly designed library. But Odin's context is for a later video.